Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Keynote and the exact slide you'll annotate. This focuses your work immediately. Once visible, show the Notes pane via View right arrow Show Presenter Notes, or press Option-Command-P to save time. Now choose why you're adding notes. Internal speaker prompts versus visible slide annotations for the audience. If you need audience-facing notes, add a text box on the slide. Otherwise, type directly into presenter notes, so you keep slides uncluttered and delivery crisp. Now add the actual content. Type concise bullets, timing cues, or cues for demos so you can pace your talk. Make sure to format. Bold key lines for emphasis, italics for examples, and lists to organize multi-step instructions. This improves scalability when presenting. If you need visual reminders, insert small images or links directly into the presenter notes. They won't show to the audience but will prompt you. Once done, read aloud to confirm note flow matches slide timing. Finish by previewing in play mode and using a second display to confirm your presenter notes show only to you. Make sure to export a notes-backed PDF via File, right arrow Export to right arrow PDF and tick Include presenter notes if you want a handout. If notes don't appear during rehearsal, check System Preferences, right arrow Displays and Keynote's rehearsal settings. Sometimes the external monitor isn't set as presenter display. If that fails, restart Keynote and reconnect the display. That usually fixes the mismatch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.